Hello viewers, good morning. Today I'm going to tell you a tip for severe cough or continuous cough. Especially during the COVID season, most of us and the climatic changes, we have continuous cough which troubles us very much. I had already told you the benefits of ginger. This recipe also is made only with ginger, pepper and jaggery. I've taken the ginger, cleaned it nicely and chopped it up and ground into a paste as you see in the video. Let me first tell you, I have taken 400 grams of ginger, 400 grams of jaggery and 4 teaspoons of pepper. These are the 3 ingredients which we require. Now, let us proceed and see how we are going to make this. Take a pan, just pour half a tumbler of water and put the 400 grams of jaggery into it and let it come to boil. You can use any type of jaggery. I have used the jaggery which I have shown you, but you can use any jaggery which you like and bring it to boil as you are seeing in the video. And the jaggery begins to melt and it will start thickening. It has to thicken nicely and keep stirring it for some time. It will take like 15 to 20 minutes, or sometimes it might thicken fast too. So just to test this, have water in a plate and drop the jaggery which has thickened into it. When it tries to form small balls as you see in the video, then you can add the ginger paste which you have ground and kept and nicely mix it well. Then you add the pepper paste too and nicely mix the whole thing and keep on stirring it till again you have to try it, putting it in the water. When it forms into balls, you can transfer it. So as you are mixing this, and before it forms and thickens, you have to make ready a plate, apply ghee to it and keep it ready so that when it is ready, you can transfer it into the plate as you are seeing in the video. I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee before finishing off the final product, and just try it out like this. When it falls into balls, transfer it into the plate and let it cool for some time. After some time, when it is cool, you can cut it into small shapes as you desire and use this whenever you have severe cough. This is really helpful. Please do try it, which will relieve you from the continuous cough. Thank you for watching. Please do share your likes. Thank you and subscribe my channel. Bye.